A Chinese study has warned that flushing a toilet generates strong turbulence in the bowel that can expel aerosol particles containing coronavirus out of the bowel, which can potentially infect the next bathroom user. The researchers at the Yangshu University in China used computer modeling to reveal how the water from the flushed toilet could spray out into the air. In a paper published in a journal, Physics of Fluids, the team said that it is reasonable to assume that the high-speed airflow will expel aerosol particles from the bowel to regions high in the air above the toilet, allowing viruses to spread indoors, causing risks to human health. Study author Jingshang Wang of Yangshu University said, one can foresee that the velocity will be even higher when a toilet is used frequently, such as in the case of a family toilet during a busy time or a public toilet serving a densely populated area. Toilets is one of our daily needs but also become dangerous if used improperly, especially against the current pandemic. Some 40% to 60% of the total number of particles can rise above the toilet seat to cause large area spread, with the height of these particles reaching 106.5 centimeters from the ground, wrote the authors. The data analysis indicates that given the same amount of water and the same gravitational potential energy, annular flushing method causes more virus spread. Put the toilet lid before flushing, which can basically prevent virus transmission, advised the authors. Clean the toilet seat before using it in order to swoop the floating virus particles to stop settling. Wash hands carefully after flushing, since virus particles can be present at the flush button and door handle. This paper also enlightened toilet manufacturers and prompt them to produce better designed toilets which the lid is automatically put down before flushing and cleaned before and after flushing, said authors.